Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how you can install Klarna to your Shopify store. So by the end of this video, you're going to understand how to install Klarna on your Shopify store so you can get payments. The first step is to click the integration guide and link in the Klarna merchant portal and click the Shopify option. If you don't have the integration guide option displayed for your account when logged into the Klarna merchant portal, contact merchant support and we can enable this option if you contacted directly with Klarna. Install the app. Since only the full store account owner can install Shopify payments apps and activate payments methods in their store, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store as the current account owner. Click the Install Klarna Shopify account application. While this app is a public app, it isn't listed in the Shopify App Store and won't be displayed in our store's apps menu like other apps, which is expected for Shopify's new payment apps. Generate and connect new Klarna API credentials. As directed, for security purposes, download these API credentials to your local computer. Even though you won't enter these credentials anywhere for this new payments integration flow, as this is done automatically for you. You can't continue past this step unless you generate and connect credentials to save newly generated API credentials. The integration, then you can see that it is verified. Activate the new single alternative payment method named Klarna in your Shopify admin. There may be other payments methods supporting Klarna available to activate, such as Payment Wall or Pay.nl, but those other payment methods require different credentials and different corresponding payment apps to work successfully. Activating the payment options other than the one named only Klarna will result in an error upon redirect from Shopify checkout without appropriate credentials. When the appropriate Klarna payment method is activated, Klarna will display as a payment method in your Shopify checkout. Activating the payment method in your store enables Klarna to display checkout. Make sure to verify that Klarna loads successfully though, as this step does no validation if the integration was completely successful. Verify the integration by adding the product to your cart. That Klarna won't appear on the cart page. Go through all the pages of your Shopify checkout, select the new Klarna payment method in your store checkout payment page, and after clicking the Pay Now or Complete button, make sure the Klarna payment flow starts. Placing a test order isn't necessary. Be aware that the fees could apply if the payment method isn't in test mode. Ensure that your customer contact method is set to only email. We recommend that both email and phone number are configured in your Shopify admin as required in your store's checkout. When the customer contact method is set to email only, you can configure the phone number field to be required field further down in the checkout. And Klarna is now live. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.